Today we're gonna do just a little trout fishing, just walking around. Try some little spots. I ain't gonna do much, but let's see what we can do. Let's see what we can do at the first spot. Let's see, I kind of want to try. Broke off. See if there's anything in this hole right here. Alright, let's go move up a little bit. Alright, let's probably do just fine right there. Alright, let's see. Next spot. Which hopefully rod stays up. We're just gonna fish right off here. Let's see. Let's just fish right off here and see what we can catch, something little, and then we'll move on to the next spot. I'm just doing this just for like a little starter of the day, just to get it started off. I think I got some pretty good spots planned ahead of me though, so a little starter of the day. There we go, a little brim. That brim. Actually not. First little fish of the day. Get something we'll start it off, like I said, something just to start us off for the day, catch a little ones and see if we can move up the line on our next couple spots and see if we can catch something pretty decent at least. At least something decent. I'm hoping maybe catch like at least a 16-inch trout today or 15. It's just really hot. Very, very hot today. Bunch of little fish against this wall, so if I keep fishing it, probably have some pretty nice little fish. There we go. This one is very small. I mean, very, 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 very small. Let's move this waiter up a little bit. Now I'm gonna retie. I'm just gonna try this little nibble. Probably catch a little one. Let's try right here. I'm at the top it though a little bit. No. I don't know if they're gonna eat this little one. So leftovers, they don't like leftovers. We'll tail on it and see if that does a difference. Leave a long tail. Actually see it and go after it. We'll see what we got here. Let it go all the way from there to down here. See if we can catch something. Just gonna get stuck on a rock first. Feel something to nibble in it. Nope. Alright, let's try this little rock cove one more time. Probably catch something little right here. Alright, I'm gonna move down a little bit. And then if not, we'll go on a little drive and go down to my previous spots. See if we can catch some decent trout. Oh gosh. forgot there was a rod on top of my car. Trying to skirt off. Alright, let's park right here. Actually, let's go. Nice spot. Move down the river a little bit. I had a guy here one time tell me right here that he just uses those little pink fake worms, and he was catching like 30 of them, so I might go throw one of those on if this is no luck. It just depends. No, I think I'm gonna try next spot. All right, I'm heading to the next spot. I caught 2 little fish. I didn't catch nothing much, so I'm gonna go try to see if I can go catch some trout on a different spot. We got our second spot here. I had to take a little drive, a little 15-minute drive from the house, or from the last spot at least. Let's see. All right, we're at the second spot here. I had to take a little drive from the house, probably like 15 minutes. And if I do good here, I'm gonna fish here for a little bit. And if I don't, I'm gonna go that way down the river. Kind of just follow it down and see if I can catch some trout today. Hopefully I can catch some keepers and then go home and have a nice little dinner tonight. I'm gonna try over here first and I'll make my way down. I'll come back to that spot. Just like trying up here first, because sometimes it's really good and sometimes it's really bad. It's really overgrown right now though too. I like throwing out here. There's like a little hole over there. And it's a nice little hole, and this stream brings me right to it sometimes. Sometimes I just throw on top of it too and I can catch a fish. Like right there, yep. And then it'll take it right there. And it's usually a good little fish out of it. But sometimes look. It's also very hot out today, like very, very hot out today. Oh, I just seen a fish jump out the water right where I threw my worm, right next to it. I don't know if you guys see that, but there was a fish that jumped out right here in front of my line. Didn't look like a bad fish. Let me throw a little high over there and see if I can catch it. Right there, let that take out. It wasn't a bad fish at all. No. Alright, move down a little bit. I tried that a couple times and there's definitely fish there, just might have scared them or... Let's try right here. This problem right here is so many rocks. I think I'm on rock right now. Let me put my glasses down. No. Yeah, just a rock. Ow. That is a lot. That is some big thorns right there, son. Just like that. Like I said, I'm gonna try over here one more time. If not, I'm gonna walk. I'll walk over there and try that hole, and no luck there. I'm gonna go down the river and try to stop at some good spots and see what I find. Got one. Nice little fish. Not a bad little trout, guys. First trout of the day. It's a very pretty one. Hold on, let me go to my pliers real quick. I gotta go get some water too. Alright. Faster you let me do this, the faster we can get you in water, buddy. Alright, first trout of the day. Nice one. I'm gonna get some water. Let's get another nice one here. That last one I don't remember for sure, but I'm pretty sure I just threw it right here. There's a nice little hole right there, and I think I let it go a little bit. I just know there's a fish back in there. Alright, I'm thinking that was fun. Just went for a little swimmy swim right there. Alright, so that was fun. I probably just fell in a really deep hole right there. I don't know how I didn't go all the way in, to be honest with you guys. I mean, that was a ride for sure right there. Wow, cannot believe that just happened. Alright. Man, I cannot believe that just happened. I did not even see it. I did fish this spot in a video before. Also, well, yeah, I'm not gonna be able to make it to that. Never mind. We're gonna go try to go up the river. Alrighty, this is gonna be the last spot of the day. Haven't really done too good today. I fished for a couple hours and only caught one good fish and a couple small ones. So I'm gonna try this little spot and see if I can catch some brim or maybe a trout of this flowaway right here. So let's see what I can do here. Alright, let's see what we can do. This is usually a pretty decent spot. Oh my goodness. There is a lot of fish right here. There is a lot of fish. I'm definitely gonna try to throw right in there and just kind of slowly bring it towards me. So many brim I don't want. Man, caught the one fish I didn't want. Dang it. Let's see, just decent sized brim at least. Let's try. I really want to get right there, yes. That's where I want to be at. Just gonna let that sit. Come on. Got him! What a fish. Come on. Come on. Oh my gosh. No. No, man. No. Guys, I probably just had the biggest trout on my line right there that I've ever caught in my entire life, probably. That is the biggest trout I probably ever got close to catching in my entire life. Now, I don't have my net on me. If I had my net on me, we'd probably be celebrating right now. That is probably the saddest fish I've ever lost in my entire life. That was an amazing moment right there. I was so stoked for a minute. I had it right up to my hand. I touched it and everything, and it got away on me. I'm really, really upset right now. Man, I'm upset. My camera just died, guys, but I just caught one of the biggest fish in my entire life of trout fishing, guys.
Really wanna see you know, but it takes so long, my Lord. Hallelujah, sweet Lord.
time to fillet. Let's see what we can do.
Really wanna know you. Really wanna go with you. Really wanna show you love, but it don't take long.
All right, fish is done. Looks very good. As you can tell, this cuts just like that. Here's a little test try real quick. Let's see here. Yeah, very good. I didn't get the video what we used for the seasoning, but I did use lemon pepper and some salt and just butter, and I put it in aluminum foil and I grilled it, so turned out very good. We had a good day. It started raining on us a little bit. My cameras died, so I didn't get much footage afterwards, but we had a really good day, so I'll call it a success. So I'll see you guys on the next one.